guys, welcome back to my channel, Journey to Health with Seals. Now, do you know how to put together the right combination of oils to make the perfect serum? Now today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put together the perfect combination of oils for your specific skin type, whether it be dry skin or normal skin or oily skin. You might have acne-prone skin, maybe you have mature skin, or you want your skin to be bright and glowing. Guys, this is the video just for you. I invite you to tune in as I share with you how to put together the perfect combination for your specific skin type.
Now guys, before you start putting together your serum, you want to choose a carrier oil that you're going to use as the base of your serum. And there are many choices that you can choose. You want to choose carrier oils that are organic, cold pressed, or unrefined.
Now guys, once you have chosen the carrier oil that you're going to use as the base of your serum, the essential oil is where you're going to differ. You're going to be choosing the essential oil based on your skin type. And I'm going to be showing you the choices of how you can put together a combination of essential oils and what you'd like to achieve with your skin.
So for the first serum that we're going to be talking about is the serum for normal skin. So if you have normal skin, you can use 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. You can use 3 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil, which is optional, but it's a great ingredient to use in your DIY. You can use 5 drops of helichrysum essential oil, 4 drops of sandalwood essential oil, and 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Now, as you know guys, the organic coconut oil is my favorite carrier oil. If you have normal skin, perhaps consider using coconut oil as your carrier base oil in this particular recipe. Our second serum is for dry skin, and for this particular recipe you're going to be using 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 3 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil, 5 drops of myrrh essential oil, 4 drops of lavender essential oil, and 3 drops of frankincense essential oil. Now, you will realize that the serum for dry skin has avocado oil as the base carrier oil for this recipe because it's very hydrating and it's an excellent moisturizer for dry skin. The third facial serum is for oily skin, and for this particular facial serum, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil as the carrier oil. You're going to be using 3 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, 4 drops of chamomile essential oil, 3 drops of rose essential oil, and we're using grapeseed oil for this particular recipe as the carrier oil of choice for oily skin because of its light texture and it leaves very little residue on the skin. Lemon essential oil is a natural degreaser and it works very well for greasy or oily skin. Lemon essential oil is also photosensitive and should not be applied to the skin if you plan to be outside or in direct sunlight. If you're using lemon essential oil, you should apply your facial serum at night before going to bed to apply to avoid any problems. The next facial serum we're going to be talking about is for acne-prone skin, and for this particular recipe, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of argan oil, 3 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil, 5 drops of tea tree essential oil, 4 drops of frankincense essential oil, 3 drops of lavender essential oil. We're using argan oil as a base carrier oil because we want to prevent breakouts, and this particular oil helps with breakouts and for acne-prone skin. It promotes cell regeneration, hydration, and it can fade acne scars. The next facial serum that we're going to be talking about is for sensitive skin. We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, 3 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil, 5 drops of rose essential oil, 4 drops of lavender essential oil, 3 drops of frankincense essential oil. And again, we're using the jojoba oil because it penetrates the skin well and deeply and is a great option for anyone with sensitive skin. You will notice that we have chosen to use vitamin E oil as an optional ingredient for all the different recipes. Now, vitamin E oil is great for our skin and it helps to improve the appearance of our skin. It is a powerful antioxidant, and when applied topically to our skin, it blocks free radicals. Vitamin E oil also reduces the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and prematurely aged skin. It works best when you consistently use it, which is why I like to include it as part of my anti-aging facial serums. Now guys, as a bonus, I want to share with you one more serum recipe from a mature skin if you are over the age of 40. or if you're in your 50s or 60s and you are concerned about, the look of your skin, you can use this particular facial serum, which is one of my favorite. You're going to be using 2 ounces of rosehip seed oil, 5 drops of rose essential oil, 5 drops of helichrysum essential oil, 5 drops of frankincense essential oil, and 5 drops of geranium essential oil.
Now guys, many of the oils that we spoke about are going to be new to many of you, but don't be afraid to get started. That's the most important thing. Now there's one particular recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you that I use on a regular basis, and as I said, the choice of serum is going to be based on your skin type and also what is it that you're trying to achieve. Now when I want my skin to be glowing and bright, I like to use orange essential oil in my particular recipe or serum that I put together. And for this particular recipe I'm going to be putting together, it only has a few ingredients to start with. I don't have all the oils that I spoke about today. I'm going to have to replenish mine, but as I said before, don't be afraid to get started. Now I'm going to be start by using fresh aloe vera today, and I'm also going to be using avocado oil because, as you know, avocado oil is very hydrating and refreshing for dry skin. This is how I put my serum together. Okay guys, we don't need a lot of fresh aloe vera. We just need a little bit of the fresh aloe vera, perhaps about maybe 2 ounces or so. So I'm going to be peeling the aloe vera, just want to get the gel out. And so I'm going to be peeling the aloe vera gel or the aloe vera leaf to extract the gel from it. And then I'm going to be blending it just to make sure I get the right consistency. Hey guys, this is our fresh aloe vera gel. We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel, the fresh aloe vera gel. It is so nice and creamy, fresh. You get all the fresh enzymes, guys, all the antioxidants. 1 teaspoon of the vitamin E oil, and you can use any vitamin E oil. There's no specific brand. And we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of the avocado oil. And we're going to be using 2 drops of the orange essential oil. And all I do, guys, is to just mix it well.
And now my facial serum, my brightening facial serum is ready. I can store this in my refrigerator if I want, or my countertop, because the majority of these are essential oil. I apply this twice daily. I apply it at night, but I like to apply it just before applying my makeup in the daytime or in the mornings before leaving for work.
Now guys, to apply your facial serum, all you're going to be doing, you can put it in a bottle or you can store it in a container for your countertop with a steel cover on it. And all I do is to just take a little bit of the facial serum, and I usually use it on my clean skin, and I just press it in. Or you can use it to massage your skin when you're doing your facial exercises. Now guys, there you have it. 7 different types of serum for your skin type. Now if you enjoyed watching this video, guys, I invite you to like the video so that others will be inspired by it. And if you have not yet joined this amazing growing YouTube family, I invite you to hit that subscribe button right now. Become a part of our growing YouTube family. And until then, it's cheers to your great health and great looking skin from Journey to Health with Seals. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!